Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes fell as Treasury yields rose after Fed Chair Jerome Powell pushed back firmly against market speculations of imminent rate cuts, while investors assessed earnings from corporate America. Cryptocurrency investment firm Multicoin Capital is in talks to sell its FTX bankruptcy claim, which has a value of roughly $100 million. Positive news around the FTX bankruptcy has seen claims being sold for upward of 70 cents on the dollar and climbing towards 80. Stellantis chairman John Elkann denied the carmaker had merger plans, responding to press speculation about a possible French-led tie-up with rival Renault. Elkann said that the world's third-largest carmaker by sales was focused on implementing its long-term business plan.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's JP foreign reserves will be released at 23:50 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 03:30 GMT. Germany's factory orders at 0700 hours GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 03:30 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.